Vivaldi is a customizable and privacy-focused web browser available on desktop and mobile, but it's still easy for beginners to get started. In this beginner's guide, we will help you get started, manage themes and tab positions, and use the productivity tools and navigation features. When you launch Vivaldi for the first time, you will see a welcome screen. Click on Continue, and you will see an option to create an account with an email address. You don't have to create an account, but having one will let you sync your settings across your devices. You will then be able to import your bookmarks from other browsers, like Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Select the browser and the data you want to import. This allows you to get started with your favorite sites, history, and passwords immediately. Then, choose the default privacy settings for websites, the theme, and the tab position. Finally, select whether you want to enable mail, calendar, and feeds. Once you click on Start Browsing, you will be ready to use Vivaldi. Vivaldi offers several tab management features. You can group related tabs together into a single tab to keep your tab bar tidy. To do this, drag one tab on top of another. You can then give the stack a name and color code it. Another feature is tab tiling. This lets you view two tabs side by side, which is ideal for making comparisons without needing to constantly switch back and forth between tabs. Just click on the page tiling icon and select how you want to display them. The page will split in half, and you can view both web pages at once. To set a bookmark, simply click on the bookmark icon in the address bar. The page will appear as a bookmark, which you can access in the Bookmarks menu. You can also create folders to organize bookmarks. By default, Vivaldi bookmarks some commonly visited sites for you. The Vivaldi side panel, located on the left side of the window, gives you quick access to several tools. To use the Vivaldi side panel, first ensure it's visible by clicking the Show Panel button on the left of the address bar. You can then click on different panel icons, like your downloads and history, to open them. To add a new web panel, you click the plus icon and add the link of the page. It will then include the web page in the sidebar. Vivaldi offers extensive customization options. You can customize almost anything in the browser, including the theme, toolbars, and the layout through the dedicated settings menu. In the appearance section, you can switch between the light and dark theme and even force it on all websites. You can also change some elements, like the default zoom level, status bar visibility, and the menu position. In the theme section, you can choose from some pre-installed themes and edit them by clicking on the Editor tab. You can edit the colors, background images, and transparency. To apply the current color of web pages to the tabs, select the Accent from Page option. To customize the appearance of tabs, go to the Tabs section. From there, you can choose to have the tab bar on the left, right, or bottom of the page, and customize which page will be displayed when you open a new tab. Another useful feature is Memory Saver. This frees up memory from inactive tabs which haven't been open for a while. These inactive tabs are still visible and can be reloaded at any time. You can select the time from the drop-down menu or choose the automatic option, which is smart enough to avoid hibernating tabs that are actively playing media or have other ongoing processes. Quick Commands is one of Vivaldi's unique productivity features, which lets you find and perform actions with default shortcuts. You can use it to search the web, find open or closed tabs, navigate your history, and more. In the settings, you can choose which data types will be included in the search results and drag them around to reorder the list. To open Quick Commands, press the F2 key. You can then search for the action you want to perform and click on the entry. Vivaldi has several privacy and security features, which you can customize in settings. It includes a free built-in VPN, which is enabled by default. You will find it next to the address bar. You will need a Vivaldi account to use this feature because it's required to log into the Proton VPN service. You can also select how long you want to save your browsing history. It's 3 months by default, but you can change this. Vivaldi has 3 levels of tracking and ad blocking. No blocking disables all ad and tracker blocking. Block trackers only disables known trackers from profiling you across the internet, but allows ads. Block trackers and ads block both ads and trackers for the most comprehensive protection. You can also add an exception for sites. Simply click the plus button. Then, copy and paste the URL of the site and select the protection level. Click Add Site, and that protection level will be applied to that site. Vivaldi has a built-in mail, calendar, and feed reader. To set up the email, you will need to enter your email address and authenticate by logging into your account in the pop-up window. After you've granted access, you should be able to send and receive emails directly in the browser. You can use the calendar with a local account or add a Google or Outlook account. To add an event, click on the plus button. You can enter the title and the date and time of the event. By default, Vivaldi doesn't set reminders, but you can set one from the drop-down menu in the Date and Time tab. Click on Done, and it will be added to your calendar. The feed reader allows you to subscribe to and manage feeds directly within the browser, without the need for third-party apps. To subscribe to feeds, you need to enable feeds in the settings. Then click the feed icon that appears in the address bar on a page that offers a feed, and select Subscribe. An alternative method of subscribing is by adding a feed URL and setting a refresh interval in the Feeds section of the Mail panel. Vivaldi has a built-in note-taking tool that allows you to take and organize notes directly within the browser. You can create notes, add screenshots and attachments, and format text with basic options. To add a note, click on the Notes icon in the sidebar and type your note in the text box. It will be automatically saved. The Vivaldi browser has a task list through its built-in Tasks panel, which is integrated with its calendar feature. To add a task, click on the plus button. Then, give the task a title and due time, and set a reminder if you want. Tasks with deadlines will be shown on their due date in the calendar. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.